Good morning. This will be Neet Center welcomes you. I am Shekhar taking the physics subject for Neet exams, and I hope the Neet exams are very time management. You are having 180 questions in 3 hours. Each question you have to finish within 1 minute, or we can say 60 seconds. So the time management for each and every question to be taken, the cost as well as the speed and accuracy is very important. So here I am going to solve some examples how to answer the question within 30 seconds, less than 1 minute. Just listen. This is a topic I am going to take over here. The gravitation chapter we have studied over here, and the radius of the earth. We are living happily on the surface of the earth, and the G value is 9.82 meter per second square. And nowadays we are sending so many satellites. That's the point B. One satellite is revolving the earth, and I am asking the question: what is the value of G at that point B? That is the question for in front of you. And condition is the H is equal to R. The R is the radius of the earth, and the height of the satellite from the surface of the earth is only H is equal to R. So in that condition, they are giving four options. That 4 options you have to select what is the value of G. But basically we know G value decreases when you go up from the surface of the earth. At the same time, when you go inside the earth also, when you go into the center of the earth, G value become almost 0. So from this point of view, I am giving our subject has got lot of shortcut techniques, and we are going to use the formula one side, but at the same time more number of shortcut techniques will be applied, and this problem can be solved within 30 seconds. Simply divide the 4 and you will get the answer C. Here I am dividing this number by 4. What is the reason for that? That is the formula is that. I will introduce the formula for you. G dash is equal to G into R by R plus H whole square. This is the formula we have to calculate for altitude. That is very important. Then we are applying here, the condition is G is equal to R by R plus R. That is equal to G by 4. So instead of using the formula, you are wasting 5 minutes or 3 minutes time, but at the same time, you are able to get the answer by taking the shortcut technique. Divide by 4. We are getting 2.45, or simply you can say this is 9.82 divided by 4. So this is the 3 things are important for the application of this problem to solve within a second or less than a minute. That is very important. Number 1, concept of the gravitation chapter. What is the concept here? The G value decreases when you go up. G value decreases when you go down. From equilateral pole, not pole also pole, G value gradually increases. So these are the basic concepts. If you understand, this chapter will be very easy to solve this problem within a minute or within 30 seconds. And here we are having this one. We are happily living on the surface with the condition here H is equal to R. By applying this formula, I have given a small capture. Simply divide by 4 and take the option. That is the one way of doing the problem to be solved, because 180 questions we have to solve with 180 minutes means 45 questions in physics, 45 minutes is very important. Let us go to another problem. Here 1 gram of uranium is how much energy it is. So basically this is a problem for formula, and this is also another problem for formula, but here we are going to use the formula. This is mass. And there is a relationship between mass and energy. So this is a mass energy relationship given by our 21st century. One scientist, E is equal to mc square. So when I apply this formula, you are able to get the energy. Suppose we get 1, 2, 3 into 10 power 8 whole square. So that means 9 into 10 power 16 joules of energy. But I applied the formula correct, everything correct, but there is a mistake in this answer. Now, here we have to convert the graph into a SI system. That is very, very important. Every problem will be solved with the essay system. So 1 gram will be converted into 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3 into 9 into 10 power 16. The best answer is 9 into 10 power 13 joules of energy. So by doing these two problems, we are applying the shortcut technique without the help of formula. But this problem we are done it correctly, applied the formula correctly, but you fail to forget to convert to essay system. So that two things are important for us before doing this problem. For physics is concerned, each and every chapter we have got shortcut techniques to get the answer very fastly, quickly, at the same time speed and accuracy is very important. Like this only I am going to give one more problem. Okay, the problem is coming Cp minus Cv is equal to x. Another equation Cp minus Cv is equal to y. They are given the four options. X is not equal to y, x is equal to y, and x by y equal to 0, and last option D, y by x is equal to 0. So this is the formula we have studied in thermodynamics and in Faraday theory of gases. Cp minus Cv equal to x, Cp minus Cv equal to, they are asking the relationship. It is nothing but both are equal to R. R is called the universal gas constant, and the universal gas constant both are equal, so we can fix the option B by taking just a few seconds. So if you know this formula, this problem will be solved within a second. That is our target. That is the way we are doing training for you, how to solve the problem within 30 seconds or even 1 minute. Okay? This is the very important program we are doing, because we are already studying, but we are giving the training for you to get there, how to get the option within a very short span of time. Thank you.